It's our first video of 2025 and we are out on the Hauraki Gulf on a day trip from Auckland on a whale and dolphin watching, spotting tour. I'm so excited because we just spotted some dolphins, but let's go back to the start to when we boarded the ferry this morning. We just arrived at the Viaduct Harbour to board our boat. It's one of these explore boats.
And we're with my parents today, going on an outing. Are you guys excited?
Excited, We're a little bit early to our tour, which departs at 9:30. So while we wait, I just wanted to tell you how we booked it. It's with a company called the Explore Group. So we just booked it on their website. We chose the tour where you stop over at the Man of War, which is on Waiheke Island. And there's also whale and dolphin spotting. If you don't see anything, they will give you a voucher to come back.
We've got our boarding passes, which are just lanyards, but these lanyards get you back onto the boat, and the color code is which island you're kind of going to. We're going to go out now. The cafe opens shortly after departure, so we'll get some coffees.
We haven't had coffee yet today.
Yeah, well, you haven't. We have our friends with us again,
right now,
Dave and Candy.
We're running east.
It's going to be a fun trip out.
We just arrived in paradise. It's so beautiful here so far. We're only on the pier. We're at the Man of War Bay and they have a restaurant here. We didn't make a booking, so we're lucky to have been able to find a table.
So cheers, happy birthday. What a good backdrop for a restaurant to have wine and pizzas.
One thing to note is they don't do flat whites. There's no coffee machine, so there's only filter coffees. So I decided to rather get a wine.
Well, their plan works because they have no flat whites and it makes you buy a wine. So. Our pizzas arrived and they are fantastic. Look at that. Everyone is halfway through a piece. Best time to film. Enjoy.
Lunch was amazing at Man of War, and we also brought in a little birthday cake for me, Biscoff. It was so great. Now we have half an hour left. We want to jump into the water, but there's a cold breeze, so I don't know if anyone's going to swim, but it looks so inviting.
Refreshing, it's good. Not as cold as I thought. We are done at Man of War and we had a quick swim. The weather's changed a bit, it's starting to rain, but
just in time. It started as we were making our way back to the boats. We are on our whale watching tour. It's raining though, quite a bit. We spotted dolphins! so cool. It's so cool. These little cobs as well. They're swimming like next to what I presume their mothers. We spotted some dolphins, but due to conservation laws we can only spend half an hour at one pod or with one pod of dolphins. So we moved on from those cute little babies and now we are on our way further out in the Hauraki Gulf. We are looking for whales now. While we enjoyed the beautiful ocean views and interesting commentary along the way, our hopes of seeing whales soon disappeared as we headed to Tiritiri Island to fetch some day trippers and then to Gulf Harbour to drop them off. From here we started making our way back to the city along the same way that cruise ships come in, with Rangitoto on one side and North Head and Mount Victoria on the other. It's been 3.5 hours almost since we saw those dolphins, and the rest of the trip was pretty uneventful. Unfortunately, we didn't see anything else. Now we're back where we started about 8 hours later, so it was a full day tour out. It was really cool. We enjoyed it so much and we would definitely do this again. What did you think?
I loved it. Man of War was pretty cool. I would definitely do that again and go and wine taste because yeah, it just seems to be a lot to do on that island. The other islands don't have restaurants and that, so always do research. It was a good day out and it's just nice sailing around, looking at all the islands on your maps.
It was
your
really
phone.
nice just being out on the water and seeing those dolphins. It was amazing. Oh.
Yep.
It's unfortunate we didn't see more, but anyway. And that's it. Thank you for watching.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye, Dave.
Bye. Bye now.
Guys.
What else?
So, cool.
What must I say?
So, we've got lunch and ordered wine at Man of War.
What can I say? Wait, did you stop it?
No?
In this video, we're going to show you our favorite new spots in